Yes, come here.
Come outside, guys. Well, they said, listen, that Trump would never make it to the American presidency, but he's almost there. So just saying. Well, of course, we had a lot of fun on Friday, giving some money away, getting more value for money when purchasing data has gotten a whole lot better with the MTN Wish It, Love It, Win It competition. So get this, you could be one of 40 people to win 100,000 Rand. All you've got to do is dial *141 *2 *999# when you're buying a data bundle.
Now, for those of you who like to stay connected, MTN has data bundles that will perfectly suit your needs with their 1 gig fortnightly and weekly data bundles. So whether it is for you to be on social media, listen to music online, or simply search the internet. Now, alternatively, you can also enter the MTN Wish It, Love It, Win It competition by signing up or upgrading to a new device, or via buying airtime by dialing *141 *10#.
And we've already made some winners very happy, but of course that competition is going to only run up until the 31st of August, so please get entering. And you could be one of MTN and Expresso's very lucky winners. For more information, you can visit the MTN blog or follow MTN on Facebook and Twitter. And to join the conversation, all you got to do is use the #YellowLove, and of course, as always, terms and conditions apply.